What have you found, Ella? Did you wake up and find a Cozy Coupe car? You two quit fighting over the car. Ella. Do you want to sit in the car, sweetheart? What's that stirring? You honking the horn, Sterling? Oh, that's a good boy. You honk that horn good. Here, darling.